Hello everyone. So the last month that I'm going to be doing today, and then the rest I'll probably do tomorrow or something, but you will probably see them every other day coming up. At this point, we made 8.2% in March. We had a 1% drawdown in Feb, and we had approximately 3% drawdown in March. Now, looking at the bigger picture, yes, we are 4% up, but also looking at the bigger picture, we have a 2 month drawdown. We haven't had a successful trade since the past 2 months, which is insane. But let's just stick to it. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Now I will zoom, make myself small because in this world, we all are small. So as you can see, I've been uploading these videos. Anyways, do not look at my WhatsApp, guys. Don't. Okay, here we are. Yeah. Now this doesn't look that good, if I'm being very honest. But we keep going. So continue this session. Close this. Let's see what April does. So what time is it? Okay, now we're gonna wait for this to close. Did it manipulate it? Did it? I think it did. Yeah, it did. So we're just gonna let that one slide till the next day. That's a bullish day. Of course, if it doesn't do that, did it go down? It did go down. That could be an entry. Let's go here. I just want to make sure we did not tap this. Yep, this is going to be our target. And let's go on the 1 minute to see if there was any entry. So at this point, okay, at this point we are still over here. We want to see a break of that point. Right now, this is the structure point that we have. If it breaks here, has it broken? It probably has. This is the structure point we are looking for. We have ideally seen a breakout structure. Now for more confirmations, I would want, yeah, there we go. That's what I wanted. Entry could be here, could be there. Let's see, let's wait for it to reverse a little. I mean, if it's not going to reverse, I'm not going to get my entry, right? But the way that this fucking pair has been, it's probably something, but problem is I need to make a 1:5 over here, for which, Lewis, I think you are wrong here, my friend, because there is no way I could make a 1:5. Like, I could if I go down all the way here. Like, over here would work, but time is up. No! Come on! Time is up! What the fuck? Time was up over here. But, yeah, this wouldn't be a trade. Sad life. Anyways, this could have been a trade, but it wasn't a trade. So we wait. We wait. We wait. Not trading that day as well. Okay. Now, this is my target. That was a very ugly target. This is my target. 15-minute. I want to wait for New York. Oh, London. London to give me something on the 1 minute. Reset. Okay, where are we? This was the point. Okay, we're breaking every point potentially. I should. Let's see. Technically, yeah, we missed it. As usual, guys, I could not find the entry. I want to make sure. this was not an entry. I wasn't be able to get an entry till here. And then yeah, price just did not come into any potential zone that I could have longed from. That's 3.82. I'm not getting in on 3.82. That's fine, you missed some. Or in my case, a lot. I'm just gonna wait for NY. I know there's liquidity there. Okay, so I'll just go on the 1 minute. I know price is gonna go up. I hope price is gonna go up. So came here, gave me here. Is it a clean break of structure? It is. I want to see if there's any entry candle. There is. I will go. Come on, give me the first win. First win for today, please. Lord, screw this. Okay, now here's what I will say. If I'm not being emotional, it's 8:30. I know news is coming. I'm getting out. That is something I'm gonna take very serious. I'm getting out at 8:15, 8:25. I'm getting out, or at 8:29. I'm getting out because I'm not gonna hold trades, especially when it's like, how much are we up? How is this just 2%? What? Okay, unrealized. It's 3. What time is it? 26. Wait. Yeah, over here I'm getting out because I'm not gonna sacrifice 3.5%. Now you get what I mean, right? You get what I mean? I do not want to let go of just this percent for just close it, man. Close. Okay. So somewhat. I don't care now what's happening. Let me just journal this. Trade notes. Long. Uh, I don't know if the 15-minute. So okay. Came down, low, went down. Probably bearish. Yeah. We were bearish. I went long. Daily bias was right. Liquidity wasn't right. I mean, doesn't this make sense? Yeah. Entry confirmation was there. 5-minute confirmation is there. And I will just add NY. Okay, moving forward. Oh, something. Alright, guys, just give me a minute. I'm just gonna put my phone on charge. Yeah, we're back. I'm just gonna put my phone on charge. Do not look at my WhatsApp. Anyways, now we are here, which is Friday, 5th of April. We want to go there. We will not go there. If this closes up above and below, I could be bullish for this day. Yeah, with my target over here. You get why I'm bullish here? Price went below, wicked this, closed above this. That's why. So let's see. I want it first to go below Asia. Come on. There we go. We're below Asia. I'll just go on 5 to see if potentially I'm getting anything. Ah, could get something. Yeah. So we got a break of structure here. Let's see. We have this order block. Final sell candle before the push. 40. We're gonna do 45. All right. 46 is okay. We're gonna go here and we're gonna do one is 5. Place order 23, 20, 19. 19 is perfect. Play, play, play. Technically, this should not have been a trade. I don't know why I missed that. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna cancel this trade. Yes, it should not have been a trade. But here's the thing, right? If I'm sort of looking at it again, I'm like, okay, price has come down to this point. It broke structure here. It could effectively go in for a long. However, there is no fair value gap here. See, these are the things, man, that I want to understand how you trade them. Like, it did hit the target. I couldn't get it because it wasn't in my time zone. I guess that's fine. We wait. We've already covered that, so no point. Okay. Have we manipulated that? We have. No point in trading that. Ooh. Naughty. That is my target. Not anymore. I really can't trade from here. Yeah. I couldn't trade because I needed a little bit of a rejection. Not a rejection, but you get what I mean. I hope my voice is clear. I feel like I have very low volume. Let's hope it is because it's too late. That is bearish. Let's see at 2 p.m. Okay, I like that. We are probably bearish here as well. Yeah. Let's go on the 5. Could be an entry. I don't know. Okay, so came here, went up, came here, went here. There we go. That's a break of structure. This is ideally the right candle to sell from. However, there is this fair value gap here. Okay, guys, this needs to move. Yeah, better. 51, 36 is okay. Where my TP at? Yeah, 1 to 5. I can't risk 18. 15, 16, 15. Sell. Let's see if we get tagged in. It hasn't even hit the fair value gap yet. I don't like this. Alright, so apologies, I am at work, so someone came in. Anyways, So I did continue there, but I'm just gonna show it to you guys as well. We came very close. Like you see this? This. It should have been a stop out, but we just missed it. And I think that's what happens when you. Well, ideally, you should give some room. I usually give 5 points, and so eight. I know there's news as 8:30, so before that, we're just gonna break it even here in case. Oh, it went for profits. It closed. Yeah, nice. Okay, so April's finally going our way a little. Now we wait for the day to end. We can't trade that day. That day's already gone. So that is bullish. Target is here at least. Wait, I just want to journal the last trade. So were we in line is the question. Like bearishness. Yeah, we were bearish. Daily bias was fine. 15-minute trend was taken. Liquidity was taken. Entry was taken. This was a trade that sort of uh, went both ways, like overlapped sessions. How much time have we done? 16 minutes, and we are on halfway there. Okay, I have 17 minutes till work ends. We are bullish, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Here was probably some reaction. Let's see if there is any entry. Okay, so we boom boom. We came down. We broke this. If there's an order block, there is an order block. Question is, when did we break this? We broke this here. 215. When was this? 210. So this is where we broke it. Okay. So technically the order block handle is here. We 80, 85. Although I think I will need to adjust this if this doesn't hit 1:5. Yeah. So we will need to put it in a way. Yeah. There should be my entry. No, 13, no, 12, no, 11, 10, 11 is fine. Buy. Okay, so they went without taking us. That's okay. Any potential entry here? 50 was not tapped. Let's see if anything happens in Y. Okay, so I like this. I'm gonna close this. Now on the 15, I see this zone here, and then I see all of this zone here as well, right? So let's see what happens. Let's go on the 1 minute and let's monitor it like we were trading it live. Went up, came down. This is my point of break of structure here. I just want to see. Okay, I don't like it yet. Although it worked. However, it's still working. There is the candle. I feel like could give me something. I don't think at all this is gonna work because I will have to reduce my entry. Lol. Yeah, this is not gonna work. But well, we listen to Lewis, right? Lewis the savior. 22, 23, bye. Let's see. Thing is, this came after 10, so we're not trading after 10. I told you this. I think I told you this. I don't know, but we don't trade after 10, and so this won't go. However, if there was a trade I took after 10, do remind me. Well, if you see that bitch here, they stopped me out and went boom. Is there any way I could have avoided this? This was at 33. Nah, this would not have been avoided. And then it was after 11 as well. So, okay, that's fine. What are we here? Now, let's see. I am bullish, but I do want to see coming in below. There we go. Let's go on the 1 minute. That was my break of structure. 5 minute. What time is it? It's 5 already. So I'm not taking that. Thank God I did not. NY starts. Let's see. What are we looking at? Not too nice. Break it. Very good. Okay. We have seen a break of structure. We have seen a candle here. Lovely OB 41, 46, which is going to target 1:5. We're going to do this. We're going to do this. We want to do 21. No, we want to do 20. No, we want to do 19. Bye. And then we just want to see if we get tapped. Okay, we did get tapped. We got tapped at 9 a.m. But we had stops. That's okay. Happens. Trade notes. 18. Strategies. Let me just see the 15-minute structure on this piece of shit. "15-minute structure. Remove old drawings." Just hide this for a second. Going up, going up. So this was the high, this was the low. This being this high, this being this low. We were bearish. And we went along. So yes, this was right, this was right, this was right, this was right. We moved back into daily. Close below it, that's why I was thinking it's gonna go up. Nah, not trading this day. Yeah, not trading this day. This is bearish for me because went up, closed below. But what is the structure saying? So this did not break it. So this is the lowest point before we go bearish. We're bullish here, but life has other plans because life wants us to go bearish now. See, if we get an entry, we go bearish. I am not falling for that. That is not a break of structure at all. It could be. No, not on my watch. Because I don't classify this as a break of structure, right? so we're just gonna go on the 5 minute to speed things up a bit till New York. New York has started, and well, okay, this, 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 so this. If it comes up, I'll enter, but I don't think I see it coming up. Yeah, there was the news. So probably not. Reset. What day are we on? Okay, so we're on the 25th. The month's about to end. The duration of this video is 26 minutes. I have 7 minutes left, so we're on par. Let's see how the day ends. This is a bullish day. You can go down. Okay, never mind. This day is gone. I'm not trading this day. Not trading. Okay, so there we go. That is it for April as well. Let's see how April worked out. I'm glad April worked out better than March. Honestly, March was shit. Feb, March both were shit. I'm glad April I got some returns. I think I had one win and then a couple of losses. Trade winning percentage has increased to 41%. April I had 3 trades. I don't know what I did, but I clicked on it. Okay. Let's go back. So today was a very fruitful day in the sense I managed to backtest 4 months. Let me just show you the stats here quickly. Session results. P&L. So April was another day, another month with $8,000 profit. So over here, if you see long term, I'm making $8,000, right? I'm making 8 grand. That's a lot of money. That's the amount of money I make in about 6 months. And yes, I lost 4K, but I made 8K again. So overall, I've up 12K. That's good returns, right? Trades 5133, win rate 60, 66, and so forth, as you can see. Now, one thing I want to focus on and tell you guys is it is okay if there are losing months, right? This is what I've been taught. This is what I've learned over the years is that every month does not need to be profitable. This is what the trading gurus are trapping us with. And that's okay. So we walk slowly, slowly, slowly. Let's see what happens. Thank you for following me up till now if you guys are. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if there's something I should change, if you guys think I could do something better. I know the video quality, the audio quality isn't perfect. Let me know about that as well. And thank you. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in June for May, not June, for May.